What if your smartphone could actually think ahead and adapt to you? Meet the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, a flagship built for the future. This isn't just another upgrade. It's a smart AI-powered device designed to make everything faster, smoother, and more personal. Let's start with performance. Powered by Galaxy AI, this phone learns your habits and optimizes everything from battery usage to app performance. The result? A faster, more responsive experience every single day. Now, let's talk about the camera. The AI camera system takes mobile photography to a whole new level. It automatically adjusts lighting, sharpness, and detail so every shot looks professional, even in low light. Perfect for social media, travel, or everyday moments. But one feature that really stands out is the privacy display. It helps protect your screen from unwanted viewing angles, keeping your data safe wherever you are. A huge advantage in public spaces. Battery life. The Galaxy S26 Ultra comes with a durable, long-lasting battery designed to keep up with your day. And when it's time to recharge, super fast charging 3.0 gets you back to 100% in no time. Less waiting, more doing. With 512 gigabytes of storage, you'll have more than enough space for photos, videos, apps, and everything in between. No compromises. And of course, the design. Sleek, premium, and built to feel as good as it looks. The result? A smartphone that combines power, intelligence, and security in one device. If you're looking for the next level of mobile experience, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is absolutely worth it. Check the link in the description to learn more.